Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 24th April 2026. As aviation fuel prices reach a new high globally, the airline industry is feeling the crunch, with ticket prices climbing and schedules being disrupted. The main culprit is the escalating conflict in West Asia, which has led to surging costs for carriers. In India, added challenges arise from hefty taxes and currency fluctuations, pushing airlines to impose fuel surcharges on passengers. Gold loan fintech startups are pivoting from loan sourcing to building their own loan books due to tightened RBI regulations. Companies like India Gold and Oro are securing NBFC licenses and debt funding for direct lending while also exploring co-lending partnerships. This strategic shift aims to regain momentum after new rules disrupted their previous service provider model. JSW Group is set to generate significant funds by selling unused land from its recent Akzo Nobel India acquisition. This move could recover up to half of the initial investment. The company plans to divest property, potentially in areas like Thane, to free up capital. These proceeds will support JSW's broader business operations. Shapoorji Pallonji Group is set to raise about Rs 25,400 crore by May 15th. This funding will be used to refinance existing debt. The group is also seeking approval to temporarily adjust a loan-to-value covenant on its bonds. Developments regarding Tata Sons' stake and potential listing are being closely watched by investors. Sun Pharmaceutical is making its biggest move yet with a $13 billion offer for Organon & Co. This ambitious bid aims to transform the Indian generics giant into a global leader in branded and innovative medicines. Sun Pharma is competing with other major players for the US company. The deal, if successful, would see Organon merge with Sun Pharma. Flexible workspace operators secured major office deals in the March quarter. SmartWorks and WeWork led with substantial space leases across cities. Demand is rising, especially from large enterprises and global capability centers. This indicates a structural shift in office space strategy. The sector is poised for significant growth and valuation. Foreign direct investment into India is holding close to record levels, but the pattern within these inflows is becoming more selective. Morgan Stanley says global capital continues to enter India, but it is concentrating in a narrower set of sectors. Services, targeted manufacturing segments, and digital infrastructure are receiving the bulk of inflows, while outflows are rising across profits and overseas expansion by Indian firms. Services remain the biggest recipient of foreign direct investment into India. Morgan Stanley data shows the sector accounts for 45.9% of total inflows in 2025, maintaining its lead position. Morgan Stanley says the sustained inflows indicate that global investors continue to view India primarily as a large and expanding digital market. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.